Keep, yeah, the fidget spinner. Is it? We'll be with a fidget spinner, eh? Come get it. Come get it.
She's about to go as well.
Wait for it to stop. That's when it gets interested in it. And fidget spinners are not just good for anxiety and ADHD, they're also good for your dog, who's also, if they are slightly all over the place. My dog has been calm all day since I got this fidget spinner. And he has a tendency of trying to do it by himself. He waits for it to stop, and then he will try and get it going himself. Here we go. He's trying to get it to spin, but he doesn't. He's still a bit nervous of it. Go on, get your spinner. Hey, look at that, you've done it, well done. Hey, you got your spinner going. Does Bobby want a spinner? Does Bobby want a spinner? We just spin it for you? There we go. You enjoying your spinner? Is it your spinner? Yeah. Where's the spinner? Hey, good boy. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, you got your...
Sitting in the greens perfectly.
Yeah, good boy. Yeah, got your spinner. Oh, stop. Go and get it going then.
Not quite so.
That's it. Oh, there we go. You got it. Well done.
I have to show off and down how funny it is with a little stitches by it.
Oh, go on, get your spinner. Yay! Oh, let me spin it for you. Whee! Is it your spinner? Oh, oh, did you broken it? Bobby, is it a spinner? Is it your spinner? Oh, there he goes.
This is a dog trying to give up smoking.
ADHD dog. Oh.
It's not proven for ADHD though, and it's spacious.
Well, it definitely helps ADHD dogs, that's for starters. It's been fascinated by it ever since we got it. You're a clever boy, ain't you?